Nangamalari, welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, recently you responded to a question about what is the Aboriginal word, or were there any Aboriginal terms for grandmother?
Mm-hmm.
We have the same question now, but this time for grandfather.
Yes, well, Carla, as I said in that last video, that there are many different Aboriginal languages right across Australia. So it depends what language you're using, but also to remind people that you have to take account of gender. So just like Italian, there are 4 sets of terms for the grandparents, depending on whether it's the mother's father or the father's father. The word for father's father in Bari is Galanuru, or Gulu for short. So easy way to say that, Gulu. Nyami and Gulu. There you go.
And Aunty Munya, we had the question from a non-Indigenous man who's wanting to know if he could use that word. He's about to become a grandfather.
I would say yes, and in fact I would encourage all Australians to learn Aboriginal languages wherever they can. But of course there are some Aboriginal people who don't like that idea or wish. So I always say just check with the local people whose language you're using, if that's okay. But if you've been given permission, particularly by an elder, then that should be fine.
Ask Aunty.